Hello solar pioneers and welcome to the SketchUp tutorials. Now we are going to learn the basic tools and the front of the SketchUp software. Actually the SketchUp software is so easy to learn and simple to use. And we can make a great drawing by this software. So when you open the software, we will see this template. This is the templates of units. You can use any templates that you are using, or you can use the meter as we will. So we will choose the meter, which is the national units. This man gives a hint about the dimensional difference. For example, if we draw this box and go up 3 meters, now you can see the dimensional difference. So the SketchUp company put this man here to inspiring you the dimensional difference. And if you don't want, you can delete him. Now these toolbars, you can add or remove any toolbars that you want from View, Toolbars, and select what you want. And as a beginner, you can select Getting Started, Location, and the Shadows, Solid Tool, Standard, and the Views. Now the basic tool of the SketchUp is Select. You can select anything in the drawing, and Eraser. You can erase anything as you see, and the Pen. You can draw line freely with the free dimensions, or you can write the length that you want. For example, 2 meters. As you see, the line is in red color. This means the line is parallel to the red axis, and when you go with the green line or green axis, that means we are now paralleling to the green axis. And this is a good features in this software that will help us significantly, and also in blue axis. So draw 5 meters and going with the green 5 meters. Go back with red 5 meters and close the polygon. Now, if you want to convert this polygon from 2D dimensions to 3D dimensions, we use push-pull tool. Push-pull tool. Click. When you click, you can push up or down. For example, go up 3 meters. And this is a small room. This axis represent the directions, and the green line or the green axis going to the north, and the dashed line of green going to the south, the red line going to the east, and the dashed line of red going to the west. So when we facing the PV system, we will face it to the south or the north according to your location in the world. As we discussed in the azimuth angle, we will face the PV arrays to the south if we in the northern part of the land, and we will face it to the north if we in the southern part of the land. So this is a small room. Now we can draw a door for this room by rectangle tool. You can enter the high and wide. For example, 1,2. This is the door. Now you can move the door by move tool. As you see, move tool, click inside, go right, left, and select the center. This is the center. And if we don't ensure that we are in the center, we can use to draw the door in the center exactly the measure tool. Go to the midpoint, one click, and go up 2 meters. Now go to this edge and click, go to the midpoint, select this line, go 0.5 and again 0.5 to the left. Now draw your center door. You can delete it now. And also the measure tool, measure the dimensions. As you see, this is 5 meters. Now if we want to make this door like the real one, we can draw the arc by 2-point arc, 2-point arc. Click the 2-point and go up 0.5 for example. And to make it more real, use the push tool, select and go inside 0.1. The same thing with the arc 0.1 inside. And we can use the offset tool. This is the offset tool. Click inside on the door and go inside 0.1 for example. The same thing with the arc. It looks like the real one. Okay. Also we can make a windows by rectangle tool, for example like this, and move it to other side like this for example. Use offset outside 0.1. Use offset outside 0.1, and you can now click these and click Control if you're using the Windows, or Command if you're using Mac. Click these and delete. Now you can see the inside of the room. Okay, delete this dash lines. And now we want to make the rooftop as real as we can. So use the offset, click on the edge, go 0.15 and push pull. Click, go up with 0.7. Now this is the rooftop. As you see, it's more real now. Okay. This tool is orbit. You can change the direction, and this is to catch the drawing and move it. This is the zoom. As you see, you can zoom out or in. As you see, the SketchUp software is so easy to learn and so simple to use, and we can make a great drawing with it.